देश तभी आजाद हुआ। बलिदानों का सपना जब सच हुआ, देश तभी आजाद हुआ। आज सलाम करे उन वीरों को, आज सलाम करे उन वीरों को, जिनकी शहादत से ये भारत गणतंत्र हुआ, जिनकी शहादत से ये भारत गणतंत्र हुआ। Good morning to Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Abhilash Senwade from class 5th CBSE and I am here to deliver my speech on the auspicious occasion of Republic Day. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. As you all know, today we all have gathered here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India. We celebrate this day with great joy and happiness every year. India got independence on 15 August 1947, but we declared as the Republic country on 26 January 1950. On this day, India became the sovereign democratic republic, marking the watershed moment in the Indian history. After getting the independence from the British rule in 1947, India did not have its own constitution. So, on August 28, 1947, a draft committee constituted under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar to draft the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India was written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to the Constitution of India. India has the largest constitution in the world. It's a very proud feel achievement for all the Indians. Friends, do you know the meaning of the word Republic? Republic means that the supreme power of the people living in the country. And only people has the right to elect the representatives as a political leader to lead the country in right direction. The significance of the Republic Day lies in the fact that on this day, we, the people of India, adopted the principles of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Today, we all are living in freedom without any pressure. That all the credit goes to our brave soldiers, martyrs and freedom fighters of Indian freedom struggle. So we must not forget their contribution and sacrifices. I would like to share some lines in their loving memory. जमाने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता। जमाने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कोई सनम नहीं होता। नोटों में लिपट कर सोने में सिमट कर मरे हैं कई, नोटों में लिपट कर सोने में सिमट कर